What's up guys? So today I'm making this video for my G37 and 370Z owners, since there's not a lot of videos on YouTube about this. So today I'm going to be installing the Soho single exit. I'm going to be pairing it up with the Burke Technology high flow cats. I also bought the Soho Motorsport Y pipe, and this setup has no resonators. So this is how it is with the Soho single exit driving in the cabin. It's not that annoying, but I do feel a little bit of drone, but it's manageable, you know what I mean? So I'll pop it into like gear, fifth, fourth. Yeah, it's pretty good, pretty solid. No complaints so far, no complaints. So compared to the stock exhaust, I actually found a very difference. With this exhaust, the revs are hanging a little bit more, you know, in gear. So if I'm in fifth, you know, it'll hang a little bit more, you know. But it's not very that bad, you know. But I'll give you guys another sound clip with the windows down. I can't even lie with you guys, I feel a huge difference in power with this exhaust, just bolting it right on. Yeah, huge difference. It's the next morning and I got the single exit installed. Let's give you guys a nice cold start.